What makes some people unstoppable while others collapse under pressure? Why do some bounce back from failure while others give up the moment things get tough? It's not luck. It's not natural talent. It's something far more powerful, mental strength. Most people never truly develop it, but that changes today. Because by the end of this video, you won't just feel motivated, you'll know how to build real, lasting inner strength. The kind that helps you face anything life throws at you. If you're ready to stop breaking and start building, let's begin. First, understand this simple truth. Life isn't meant to be easy. That doesn't mean you're broken or failing. It means you're alive. Every human struggles. Every human falls. But mentally strong people, they get back up. You see, your mind is like a muscle, and muscles only grow through resistance. The more you dodge challenges, the weaker you stay. The more you face them, the stronger you become. When life gets hard, you have two choices: break or build. The moment you start seeing problems as preparation, not punishment, that's when your mindset shifts from fragile to unbreakable. So how do you actually build this strength? Not with one huge leap, but with small, consistent habits. Start your day with a cold shower. Not because of the water, but because of the discipline. Exercise regularly. Strengthen your body, and your mind will follow. Practice stillness. Even 5 minutes of meditation can rewire your brain to stay calm under pressure. And here's the real secret. Do hard things on purpose. Wake up without hitting snooze. Speak up when it's uncomfortable. Push one more rep when you want to stop. When you choose discomfort, life's challenges stop shaking you. But it's not just about what you do. It's also about what you stop doing. Want to build an unbreakable mind? Then quit these 3 habits: complaining, seeking comfort, and making excuses. Complaining drains your energy. Seeking comfort keeps you small. And excuses? They sound convincing, but they destroy your potential. The truth is, you always have a choice, even when it doesn't feel like it. Own that, and you take back your power. Still not convinced? Let me tell you a real story. Not of a superhero, but of someone you definitely know. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Forget the fame and the muscles for a second. This man came from a tiny village in Austria. No money, no connections, barely spoke English. At 15, he touched a weight for the first time. At 21, he left everything behind and moved to America with nothing but a dream. He wasn't the biggest. He wasn't the most gifted, but he outworked everyone. Day after day, rep after rep, no shortcuts. That's what mental toughness looks like. Showing up, even when motivation disappears. But here's something you might not hear often. Being mentally strong doesn't mean avoiding emotion. It means managing it. When emotions hit, anger, stress, fear, pause. Just pause. Breathe. In that tiny space, you get your power back. Emotions are waves. You can't stop them, but you can learn how to ride them. Mentally strong people don't suppress emotion. They choose how to respond to it. Now let's talk about the big one, failure. Most people are terrified of it, but mentally tough people, they embrace it. Because every time you fail, you're not moving backward. You're learning, sharpening, growing. Champions don't win because they've never failed. They win because they failed more than most people even tried. The only real failure is quitting. So next time you fall, don't crumble. Analyze, adapt, and rise again. Let's wrap with the hardest truth. Motivation is a lie. It feels good, sure, but it fades. Discipline is what lasts. Discipline gets you up early. Discipline takes you to the gym. Discipline says no to comfort, yes to progress. Every time you choose discipline over ease, you build trust in yourself. And that's where real confidence comes from. Now, don't think you need to be perfect. You don't need to become a superhero overnight. You just need to start. Start showing up. Start doing the hard things. Start becoming the person you once promised yourself you'd be. Because the strongest version of you isn't built by luck. It's built by choice. And the first one you make starts right now. But here's the thing. This is just the beginning. In the next video, we're diving even deeper. We'll explore the one mindset shift that top performers use to stay laser focused, even in chaos. You won't want to miss it. So ask yourself, are you ready to stop living on autopilot and start designing your strongest self?